I started filming now because I like the turns in this road. They're crazy, but it makes for good video. Just past an old railroad crossing and a river, the Lackawanna River. Right after it rained. Look at these turns, you'll see it as it comes up. See these like really sharp turns? Look at that. This whole area is riddled with stuff like that. Subscribe to my channel, Remote-Backroad-Jungles, with a dash in between each word, and my link is, www.youtube.com/@hiddenoasis-secret-pathfinder. Yeah, wow, look at that. Doesn't like it. Where the horse-drawn carriages used to pass through a long time ago, and then they, you know how they pave over certain areas that were already chopped through and cleared out, and other times, you know, in modern day we put roads where we want. But it would have been interesting to know if this route, because I've never seen anything more squiggly and crazy in my life. Well, actually, no, I've seen a lot of others like this, but this was pretty